Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Efogo Joseph, the anchor person on Free Genuine Airdrops. Alright, in this video, I'll be showing you how to activate your slots in Magnet. I will be showing you how to activate your Magnet slots if you have joined Magnet and you have been mining, or you just want to join the smart contract direct. So how do we go about it? Before we go ahead with the video, let me remind you to quickly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Hit on the subscribe button to keep getting our update whenever new videos are published. All right, let's move ahead to first of all, you go to your Telegram channel, your Telegram app, to where you are mining your coin on Magnet, and then look at this area, the last button here, the last link there that says Magnet. Click on it. All right, now that you're here, you only need to copy this address, or this, which will take to your browser, and the browser is the one in your wallet, which is your Trust Wallet or whichever wallet you're using. But in this case, we're going to be using our Trust Wallet as demonstration. All right, click on that button now to copy that web address, and then you go to your Trust Wallet. So in this area, if you look at the bottom part of this, you'll see 5 links. The first one says Home, Trending, Swap, and the last one is Discover. We need to use that one that says Discover. Sorry, I need to use that one that says Discover. Okay, which is the one here. So you click on the Discover, and it takes you to your DApp browser. So we're going to use, you paste the address you brought into this place. But if you have been using this particular wallet for login, sometimes you might automatically see your link there already saved. But when you click inside that box, let's see what happens. Yeah, this is exactly what I'm saying. You can see it here already. You just click on that, or you still paste the address into the box, which is here. Okay, and then you search. Now that it has brought you to this place, you click on these 3 lines, those 3 horizontal lines, and you now click on Connect Wallet. Okay, then you need to agree by clicking on this box, and then proceed to also select the Trust Wallet. Remember, we said we are using Trust Wallet. Otherwise, you pick any of these wallets that are available, the one that you are using, but you need to use Trust Wallet. That's why we are clicking on the one there with the Trust Wallet icon. Okay, so we'll click on that, and our wallet is connected. Our wallet is connected. You can see that the wallet address is showing there now. So it now says sign. So you need to sign here to permit you to the back office. All right, click on the sign and give approval. Then you are in the back office now. The NFT level now is showing 0. can see the NFT level is showing 0 because I have not activated my account. And you can also see here, I have not activated my account. I have not topped up. So just scroll, program 1, coming soon, program 2, and so on. So you can see your levels 1 to 12, the NFT levels, and the side is showing that you can buy from level 1. So this is level 1. NFT is set to levels 1, and you click on the buy button. Okay. So I click on, and then click this buy. Okay. Click on approve. All right. That level 1 has been bought. Approve again. Level 1 has been bought. All right. At this stage, what do? You click on this button here. You see the button here that has two directional pointing to two directions, which is a refresh button. Press it to refresh the system. Okay. Okay. So it's showing now that you have bought level 1. That is why we are seeing 102. Scroll again. You cannot see that level 1 has been bought. So, sorry. Level 1 has been bought. You cannot click to buy level 2, which is this buy button. Then click buy again, total $10. Approve. Buy magnet status 11/2, price $10 or 10 DAI. You see, those of you who are asking about DAI, you can see that we are using DAI to pay. Can you see discount? No discount commission, 0.75 pool. Total 10 DAI, 0.75 pool. So that is why we need DAI, and also we need pool. It has been bought. But like we did initially, click here again on that round, yes, the round arrows for refreshment. Refresh the page. So that is level 2 now has been bought. If you are buying up to level 6, that is what you are going to do for each of the level. You are going to refresh and buy each of them. We are bought level 2 now. So we have refreshed the arrow. We scroll and go to level 3. So this is the one for level 3. We click it again. This one, click it again and buy. Click buy. You now have price 20 discount. There's a discount there because we are buying level 1 to 3. Okay, approve. Can you see total 15 DAI plus 0.75? Okay, so total cost. Okay, price normally is 20 DAI. I have discount of 5 because you are buying level 1 to 3 all together. You are giving level 1 as discount. That's why you are seeing discount of 5 DAI there. Okay, discount of 5 DAI. So instead of paying 20 for level 3, this is 20, but they're giving you a discount of 5. So you are now paying total of 15 for that level. Now it has been paid for. So you refresh again. You are done with buying levels 1 to 3. Okay. So the next thing is to wait and encourage all your downlines to also do the same thing. Once they are done, the system will populate all the people that have top of their wallet. So when Magnet automatically goes live, whether you are there or not, there will be systemic activation for everybody. At that point, all your commissions from your downline automatically goes into your wallet, whether you are there or not. But make sure that you are here now, you are participating in activation. If you don't, if your downlines go ahead to activate and you did not activate, they will automatically overtake and your commission will go to your upline. Now that you are here now, if you want to log out of this place from your wallet, especially if you have two wallets, you look to this place and click it. That place where your wallet address is showing, click it, open it. Can you see? There is an option for you to log out. Okay, so when you click it, it will log you out of this account. And then if you want to use any of your other account, you go to your wallet and open that particular wallet before you proceed the normal way again. You know, most of them will initiate this thing from the wallet. So you log out and go to the wallet you want to use before you cannot connect that other account. So that is how to connect, that is how to activate your slot levels in Magnet. If this video is helpful to you, please like it, leave a comment for us, and then remember to share it to your friends, share it to your downlines so that they too can benefit from it and learn how to do their own in their own account. Thank you and see you again in our next video.